In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Importxml in Google Sheets. This is a simple way to pull information from a web page directly into your spreadsheet. To use Importxml, you only need two things: the web page URL and an XPath. The URL is the location of the page, and the XPath is the address of the exact piece of data inside that page's code. Think of it as telling Google Sheets where to go and what to pick up once it gets there. The basic formula looks like this: equals Importxml, then the URL in quotes, followed by a comma, and then the XPath query in quotes. Make sure your URL includes the full address with HTTPS at the start, or the import may fail. To get the XPath without learning HTML, use Google Chrome's built-in inspection tools. Open the web page you want to pull data from in Chrome, then right-click directly on the exact text you want, like a headline. Choose Inspect. A panel will open and highlight the matching line of code. Right-click that highlighted code, select Copy, and then choose Copy XPath. That gives you a path you can paste into your Importxml formula. It also helps to know a few common XPath shortcuts. For the page title, you can use /title. For main headings, use /h1. For every link, use /@href. For the meta description, use /meta with a name of description, then /@content. For image URLs, use /img/@hrc. Now let us walk through a simple example in Google Sheets. Open a new spreadsheet. Click a cell where you want to store your web page URL, and paste the URL there. Then click the cell where you want the result to appear. Type the formula using the cell that contains your URL, followed by the XPath for headings. For example, you can use equals Importxml, open parenthesis, the URL cell reference, comma, and then /h1 in quotes, and close parenthesis. Once you press enter, the headline will appear. If the page has multiple H1 headings, the results will spill into the cells below. If you see an error like n/a, there are a few common causes. Importxml cannot read content that loads only after the page renders with JavaScript. Also, if your copied XPath contains double quotes, change them to single quotes inside the XPath. Finally, some sites block scraping completely, which can cause fetch errors. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.